One bag, one fill. Oh, look at that. Lovely coffee beans, isn't it? For coffee addicts like us, it's heaven. Welcome to PC World, where everything is a Best Buy. From you. Machine and coffee beans because he loves his coffee so much. It's just that we won't be doing any unboxing anymore because we bought the ones on the display because they ran out of stock. But since he's really eager to buy one, so why not now? Isn't it amazing? I'll show you guys how to make some coffee. Perfect for your lazy morning. What's on this barista machine? Just have to turn it locked. Here we go. And lock it just so it won't go off. Here we go. This is where you're going to put our coffee beans, right? I'm not a pro, but we're trying to learn how to use this one. It's just so happy. No more Starbucks outside. We'll just do our coffee here at home. Right, hun?
Yeah. So do you want me to fill the beans?
First off, we'll fill this one with the coffee beans.
And we have Starbucks medium roast coffee. Now we have Starbucks medium roast coffee beans.
All right.
Whole coffee grounds. Make sure it's locked.
Oh, I can smell the coffee beans already. You love that. That's your favorite. One bag, one fill. Oh, look at that. Lovely coffee beans, isn't it? For coffee addicts like us, it's heaven. Okay. Perfect.
Perfect. Next we have to set up the water filter. In here is your water filter for the water. Make sure you take everything out.
Exactly.
Fresh coffee starts with cleaner water.
So you have to wash that first.
The water filter.
You have to attach,
the water
water
filter to the machine.
Okay, there we go.
So you have to set when it was in. So the date is the 1st.
Okay.
So it's in on the first, so it comes out. You have to change it on the third.
Okay, just
So we
so
put it in.
come up fresh.
Comes off your water filter, like that. Place your water filter in there. This way. Like that. Press turn. This goes back on here. And then you put
That's clean already.
like that. And that
Now that's your water filter attached.
now we put this back on.
Okay.
Back here. The next thing is to fill with water.
Fill it up. There you go. We're filling it up. Keep away from grinder. This one. Okay. Great coffee starts with clean water, of course. To make sure that's full. Now, along with these,
So now
machine comes the
it's plugged in, so you can turn it on.
okay, a dog. Milk jug. I can't even open this. Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at that. It's just so cute. Wow, lovely. It comes with a cleaning kit. There you go. Now, what's in here? It comes a brush. A brush. Okay. A brush, and I don't know what's this for. Then what else? A special
The
machine
tabs.
cleaning tablets. Clean it up. Okay, what else? Comes with a guide. Guide. And what else? Oh. And you have the jug. It comes with filter baskets, so this is where you have to put it. It filters out your coffee, the granules. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Just have to. Tastes perfect. Perfect for the day. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.